Right, hello there, so just a little update. As you can see, I managed to get the track right to the edge on this side and it's right to the edge on that side. I've removed the fish plates, and what I've done, I've managed to add in two these little smaller pieces, and it fits as close as we're going to get it. So I've got these two more to fit in there, and then I shall do the same on the other side. Get them fitted in there. Get the platform back in. It's up there at the minute to see, because I've got another Wordsworth free download on the go. This is a waiting area and toilet block, but I'm going to modify it a bit. I'm going to try and use this part here as my entrance, so that should go here, but we've got doors on this here and here, but I just need to block this side up, and the entrance to the toilet block is here, so I'm going to have to try and cut this edge down and then glue it here so the entrance will come in here. So that's where I'm up to for now. Okay, there's them two rails done on this station. The two rails are done on the other one. I have noticed there's something that I've downloaded from this one here. It's downloaded by a Sony phone, sent to the printer, and this one was done by an iPhone, sent to the printer, both 100%. As you can see, iPhone 1 is just a bit bigger. I'm really fussed. Pick one when I come round to gluing one down. But yeah, that's where we're up now. Time to get this platform back down and then get this building up and on, see what that looks like. Right, so I've got my glue ready. This is the base, the waiting area, toilet block, and first two parts. We'll use, this is going to be, call it the front, where the tracks will be here, and this will be where the ramp comes up and enters onto the platform. I do need this one blocking off. I haven't got it at the minute, but you see that this side has a door on as well. This one goes there. So I'm going to do this side front and this side first. Leave this one blank, fill in the door. I just put a down with a brick sheet, put that over, so that can go there. But I'm going to get this one on there, and this one on the inside. And I've also got these angle pieces. So get them at a right angle. Hold them together while I glue. So I'm going to give that a go now. There we go. It's on the outside, the other one's on the inside. Give you a right angle. I'm going to let that glue. Let that glue dry. And then get this side on. Right, so I've done the three edges. Just give you an idea of where it's going to go. So you've got the station ramp, and that's going to fit in there, but this one goes there with the door on, and obviously then there's a gap down to ramp. So what I'm going to do is put the cutout bit back in. Oh, in there. Does fit. There we go. Then print a brick sheet and just brick that full one over. So then when it goes in there, it'll just be a brick wall. And there we have it. Door at the front, window at the side, brick. And now we have brick at the back. So that'll just sit in there. Time to move on to this bit, which is the toilet block. Which is, where's my finger? This side's alright, that side's alright. This middle bit here will be fine. This one wall here will go in. And I'll have to cut this one down and then glue it here so the entrance is here to the toilet. So I'll be moving on to that bit next. Alright, so there we go. Just a brick sheet over the top. The lady's toilet. So that's going to go there. Also done the other side. And I've modified the end. Still needs a little bit of work inside. Obviously the roof, but this one will go there. I know the gents' toilets sign's still there, but I'm just going to leave that there. Might get one fit on that side. And yeah, it's going to go something like that. What would be the waiting area, it's just going to be me station entrance. So yeah, that's where I'm up to on that bit for now. On this one I've had a bit play around with the track work. Got it so you're coming in there. Got some points, splits into a fueling point. Got the engine shed there. Mark 1 engine shed from Wordsworth again. It does a Mark 2, which I'm hoping I'm going to build, which will be for here. That's on my list of things to do. So I think I'm just going to leave that update there for now. Now we'll get back there when I've got more done. Cheers, thank you, bye.